Welcome, 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 Sabadi Satu. This is today is going to be the dragon boat race, and here's a nice dragon boat that came from, I think, Taiwan. And you know, we have vendors and all that stuff. Everybody's kind of much setting up in this area. The reason the barrels are out here for the reason is that the ground had some issues. We're in Woonsocket, so they don't want anybody to stake anything in there. So this is my area here. I'm going to be going over the Ocean Community Center, and we got the coordinator of this event is Molly over here. Hey Molly, what's going on? And you know, all these teams are getting set up for the race. Just got it set up, so I'll have more pictures about what's going on, and hopefully you can show more of the culture and all that stuff. So we got some clothing, all the all the things that we have that kind of represent our culture. Setting up right now. I have a few hours to set up, actually about an hour to set up, so I'm going to try to get out quick. All right, so we got some monks from the Woonsocket temple. They're coming to bless the dragon boat race, and the people are getting ready, teams are getting ready for this, and I am still trying to set up because I can't get to my tables and stuff. So anywho, hopefully everything's in working order when my other friends come. All right, bye. We're cheering them on. Race 6. Zoomed in as much as I can. They're racing over there. They got somebody in the back watching out. I'm with Jek, the president of LCC. Hey. Hold on.
What flavor do you want?
I'll pick one. My feet hurt. So it's that second buoy over there. I can probably get it from here. But my feet hurt. These things are jabbing at me in the fucking fingers. Oh, on the right looks like they're gonna win it.
I don't know. I think it's neck and neck.
Oh no, the right's got it. They're pulling the right. Pull it. Oh no! Oh shit!
It's the second one, so it doesn't matter.
The left. Almost there. Oh, the left is pulling. Oh no, they dropped. They dropped. They dropped.
You went all the way though.
Yep, they pulled it. They're not gonna make it. They're not making it. Yep, gave up. Right won it.